The sides of a triangle are 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 14 centimeters. Determine the radius of the inscribed circle. Okay, so let's draw the figure first. Determine the radius of the inscribed circle. So circle is inside the triangle with sides 8, 10, and 14 centimeters. So this will be the figure. So we will use the formula. The formula A is equal to R times S. A is the area of the triangle. R is the radius of the circle. So R is the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle, of this circle. And then S is the semi-perimeter. So the formula for S is equal to semi-perimeter of the triangle. So we have A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay? And then to get the area of this triangle, we will use the Heron's formula. So the Heron's formula is area is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Okay, so we have given the sides are, so let 8 centimeter be the value of A. A is 8 centimeters. So we have B. So this, let the side B be this. So we have 10 centimeters and this side C is equal to 14 centimeters. So determine the radius of the inscribed circle. So determine the value of this radius. Okay, so first step, we need to solve the value of the semi-perimeter. Okay, so the value of semi-perimeter, S is equal to, just add the lengths, 8, 10, and 14, and then divide by 2. So we have 8 plus 10 plus 14 divided by 2. So we will have 8 plus 10, we have 18 plus 14. So that will be 18 plus 14. So we have 32 divided by 2. So therefore, the semi-perimeter is equal to 16. 30 divided by 2 is 16. Okay, so we now have the semi-perimeter. We substitute that to this formula to get the area of this triangle. Okay, so therefore, we have area is equal to square root of, okay, so S is 16. So we have 16 times S minus A. So we have 16 minus 8 times 16 minus the value of B is 10 times 16 minus the value of C is 14. Okay, so we have the value of A area is square root of, so we have 16 times 16 minus 8, we have 8, 16 minus 10, we have 6, and then 16 minus 14, so that is equal to 2. So just evaluate this. Okay, so let's just use our scientific calculator. So just multiply this. So we have 16 times 8 times 6 times 2. Then press the equal sign. So we have 1,536 and then we get the square root of that. So square root. So therefore we have square root is, okay, so what happened to this? Back. Okay, so let's repeat the process. So we have 16 times 8 times 6 times 2 equal sign and then square root. So we have 39.19. Okay, so we just round it off, 39.19. So we have 39.19 centimeter squared. So that is the A. So now we can solve the value of R. Just use this formula. A is equal to R times S. So therefore, we have A is equal to R times S, and then we solve the value of, we want to find the value of R, so we can divide both sides by S. Divide both sides by S, therefore the value of R is A over S. So substitute the value of A, the area is 39.19 centimeters squared, divided by the semi-perimeter. The semi-perimeter is 16. So we have 16 centimeters, so we can cancel the centimeter and then the square here. So if we divide that, we will get the final answer of 39.19, let's divide by 16. So we have 2.44. If we round this, the answer is 2.45 to 2 decimal places. Okay, so therefore, the answer is letter C. The value of the radius is 2.45 centimeters, letter C. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video. See me in my next video about engineering mathematics. Bye-bye.